It's showtime.
Make it stop, make it stop.
I don't want to stop. I never want to stop.
What do we call you, sir? What's your name? Are you going to tell us or not?
My name is Duke the Dreamer.
Duke. Duke. Tell me, did that go according to plan or wasn't there any plan?
What plan?
Well, I think you're crazy.
Thank you very much. I don't know what these airplanes were doing, though.
I thought it was very funny.
It's not supposed to be funny.
Please tell me you don't have children.
Are you asking?
I liked it, but I'm not sure why.
It's simple. It's simple. It's a return to traditional values. You are a dead-set idiot.
OK, are you going through to the next stage?
Yes,
Let's
please.
vote. Redmond, what do you think?
Of course, yes.
Tom!
Yes, we can do with that kind of craziness on this show. Good on you, Duke.
It is so us. Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, well done.
Bye.